Tell me something about you.
Sir, CASA,
What is CASA?
Sir, customer, sorry sir, I just forgot. If you are going for some other person, you can still go with your ID proof or something.
No, that's what is it called?
Sorry.
So, banks are called financial supermarkets. Why?
So if it increases, the banks has lesser amount to give it to other customers. So it will reduce.
It will?
So whoever has it, has the instrument with them will be the holder.
Holder, okay. Holder in due course, then what is?
So I don't know. Oh my goodness.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Take your seat. How are you?
Sir, I'm very good.
You are Nupur.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about you.
Sir, I have already, I am basically from Bihar and we have settled in Karnataka. And I was previously working in software, Infosys. Then that private sector thing, I didn't feel very comfortable in that. So I tried to switch sector. Now for bank, I'm just working.
IBPS PO you are appearing.
Yes.
Interview you are appearing.
Yes, sir.
You are qualified in the main examination.
Yes.
Presently, you are working with the Canara Bank,
Canara Bank.
Customer Service Associate.
Yes.
You are appointed by Canara Bank or any other agency?
No, Canara Bank.
Canara Bank only. Tell me your strengths and weaknesses.
So I'm able to deal with customer service like in a friendly manner, not like typically people don't like to go visit banks, but they are very friendly. All old people will come, ladies will come, so they feel nice and their work gets done very quickly.
You are working in a branch?
Yes, sir.
Which branch?
So Mandya Kadlalli.
Customer service. What is that expected of?
So
I am a customer. I'll come to you, and what type of service I can expect from you?
well, first we have to be polite, that you feel comfortable in our organization, and then whatever your work I should understand and just give you that quality service what you want in a time efficient way, and they can return happily with the service.
There may be some genuine requirements, there may be some ingenuine requirements. So how do you service the customer?
So we can just get to know, everyone will come and say it's urgent, but we have to make out which is actually urgent. Like for life certificate, as of now people are coming, old people, so we have to see their work is done first, because that is most important. Other works we can do it next day or next month, like that. So accordingly we'll deal with everyone.
You are helping them to complete the life certificates?
Yes, sir.
But I have seen in many of the branches, whenever somebody approaches for giving a life certificate, they will suggest you do online, you go to Jeevan Praman, you do this, you do that, instead of completing the life certificate at the branch itself when the customer has come personally there.
No, but we'll try to do it ourselves, how much ever
So you are
effort
not
is
that
required.
category.
Yes.
Okay. Other than customer service, whether you have worked in any departments of the bank?
Yeah, cash I worked on.
Cash. Other than that?
Nothing like that.
Deposits, counters, or
Yeah, that one, like cash.
cash means everything you can do it.
Everything we have to do. The first level entry, everything we'll only do.
Okay. What is the check?
Sir, it's an instrument through which we can withdraw our, like whatever requirement I have as of now, I can give it to some other person also as a third party and self-draw also.
Check, you said, is an instrument. Whether it is only an instrument or Anything, a special thing is there for that?
It gives us the flexibility to take cash from
Okay.
anywhere in the country.
Anywhere, whether you give me a check, whether I can go and take?
So if it's your account, you can draw as self. If you are going for some other person, you can still go with your ID proof, something.
No, that's what is it called?
Sorry.
See, you said check, you personally you go and draw. Okay? ID proof is a different matter. Check is a negotiable instrument.
Yes, sir.
You give it to X, X can give it to Y, Y can give it to Z, like that. So, negotiation is the main ingredient of the check. Okay, you heard of Negotiable Instruments Act?
Yes, sir.
Okay, have you completed JIIB?
Yes, sir.
How about CIIB?
Sir, I have applied for it.
Applied for it. You have not taken the
Not
examination.
taken it.
Okay. What is section 9 of Negotiable Instrument Act? You have passed JIIB, no?
Yes.
Definitely that must have come within the purview of JIIB.
Yes, sir, but it's a little long back, so I don't remember.
Long back. I passed my JIIB in 1980.
Okay, sir.
Can I tell what section 9 is there?
So if you just give me hint, I'll remember.
Okay. See, whether CASA is beneficial for the bank or fixed deposits are beneficial for the bank.
So CASA is more beneficial because we are giving lesser interest in deposits, very hardly 2-3% only. But other FDs we have to pay a lot more, like more than 6%. So it's a loss for bank as such. If we have more CASA, we can give more loans.
CASA anytime it can be withdrawn. No, today he can come and tomorrow he can withdraw. Whereas fixed deposit you can have for a particular period.
Yes.
So normally fixed deposit should be beneficial for the bank.
Yeah, it should be, but mostly that CASA, since
What is
we have,
CASA?
Sir, customer, sorry sir, I just forgot.
No, you can take your time. You said CASA is more beneficial. What, in which way?
Current account, savings account.
Yeah. What is the rate of interest you pay for the current account?
So it's 0%.
That's why float funds will be available. So that is always beneficial for the bank. The more the CASA, the more the benefit for the bank. So you will not pay any interest on that. Okay.
So, banks are called financial supermarkets. Why?
So like a supermarket, we have many products and services. Based on our requirements, we can go to wherever we want and take our services.
Correct. Here, what type of products are available?
So financial products.
What type of products? What is meant by bank assurance or selling of third-party products?
So like insurance, we take it from other agencies and they merge, they combine with banks to do the selling in a better way.
That's why banks are called financial supermarkets.
Yes.
So bank products are available, life insurance, general insurance, mutual funds, demat, all these things are available. That's why it is called financial supermarket. Once the CRR, SLR is increased, whether bank loans will increase or decrease.
So if it increases, the banks has lesser amount to give it to other customers. So it will reduce.
It will
Reduce.
reduce, very good. Once the repo rates are increased, what is the impact on bank lending? Repo rate is increased.
So repo rate is basically, banks are taking loans from central bank, that is RBI. So if it is increased, bank has to pay more interest, so they will lend lesser to other customers.
But the rate of interest, how much they will charge banks? Once the repo rate is increased, whether they will charge less or more?
They'll charge more.
More. Okay. Financial inclusion. So far, government not achieved 100%. What could be the reasons for that?
The customers, we are actually hoping to come that the priority sectors, those people are not taking loans, so that targets might not be fulfilled.
No, I am asking about financial inclusion. What is meant by financial inclusion?
Okay, all the sectors of our economy, even the poor people and the below poverty line people, they can have an
Whether it is called financial inclusion or priority sector.
No, that is financial inclusion means everybody is in the banking sector, like banking account they have, like Jan Dhan Yojana.
Yes, yes. Priority sector is entirely
Different concept.
What are the 8 subsectors of the priority sector?
So that is agriculture, MSMEs, export credit, housing, education, social infrastructure, and others.
Achha. Okay. Suppose you are in the front line in the bank. One customer is aggressive and he is asking to complete his work immediately. And other customers are also standing. In that situation, how you will act?
Sir, I'll politely tell to please take a seat, and as soon as the one who is standing before them, I'll finish their work and then get back to them.
Okay. In that case, one customer came. He is a physically disabled person, but other persons are also good, no disability. In that scenario, how you will act?
No, I'll just request everyone to just wait and first see to it that the physically disabled, I service them faster and then just finish their work.
Okay. Now, what is the relationship between KYC and money laundering?
So KYC is know your customer. So we try to get their address proof and identity proof and trying to know like about the details of the customer. What is happening now? People are just some fraud activities are happening. They are taking money from other sources and making it white money. So if we are not very compliant with that, we have to see that money laundering doesn't happen. That's why we are doing KYC.
What are the various alternate delivery channels of the bank? What is the primary channel of the banking system? What are the alternate delivery channels of the banking system?
So one is to visit the branch and get everything done. Others are financial products are there, like online we can do mobile banking, internet banking. Most of the services we can get it done, and even old people who cannot visit and are not that much educated, for them doorstep banking also we have introduced.
Now, credit card is asset to the bank or liability to the bank? Or debit card is asset to the bank or liability to the bank?
So credit card is an asset and debit card is a liability.
Debit card?
Liability.
Liability of the bank. What is meant by customer delight? Because you are a front line. Tell me about customer delight. When the customer will delight?
So you're talking about the English meaning of delight? Or
No, not delight. In the bank, sometimes earlier we used to talk customer service. Now we are using customer delight or customer surprise. Any example for these two concepts?
The service we can give in any way. It can be without a smile and just finishing. Like a rude way also I can reply to you and just...
Suppose a customer came and his estimated time to open the account is 1 hour, but you have completed within 5 minutes. Then customer will surprise.
Delight.
Get delighted.
Delighted. Oh, this is, I'm estimated time is 1 hour, but this bank, they have completed. Okay. Are you ready to work anywhere in India or restrictions are there?
So anywhere I can work.
Anywhere in India. You are ready to work in rural areas also.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I posted you in Srinagar, Pahalgam. Are you ready to work?
So I have taken public service because of that reason only. Otherwise I could have stayed in private sector if I had to earn money or any other thing was in my mind.
Okay. Particularly Reserve Bank of India, one of the functions is Monetary Policy Authority. What are the various tools that are used by the Reserve Bank of India in monetary policy?
So that repo rate, reverse repo rate, they all can control. So the bank has lesser money to give it to people, and government securities also they sell and buy according to the requirements to control inflation.
Okay. Once the inflation is more in the country, whether repo rate will increase or decrease. Inflation is more in the country. Whether repo rate will increase or
It will increase.
decrease.
Sir. Yeah, Nupur.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of Nupur?
Sir, it's anklet we call.
Yeah, very good. Elegance.
Yes, sir.
So, your parents have kept you name Nupur.
Yes.
Yeah. You have come for a PO.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why you should be selected? 3 reasons. Okay. It is a competitive. Why you should be given preference over others?
So it's mainly the reason why we work for people. I want to serve the people in a good way. I feel I have that quality that I can convey, like understand their feelings also, and I work according to them. If in any other sector, it's we can't even know for whom we are working. Like in a laptop on site, everything I've seen. But here directly we can see the happiness, the delight, the customers' delight when I give good service, how they thank, and it's very blessings for me.
Okay. You work in a software company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why did you leave there?
Sir, at that moment, I had to actually prepare for UPSC, so I had left that.
Okay. You say work-life balance. What do you mean by work-life balance?
So work mostly, most of our day goes for our working hours only, but we need our time, personal time for our hobbies and family, friends, because work, it's never ending. However much ever you give, it will just, if you sit till 8 o'clock also, it will never get over. But we have to prioritize our self-interest also.
Being a woman, how will you manage your work life if you are selected and posted to North India, and your husband is not transferable to your place? How will you manage your work-life balance?
So we have to see how we can manage, we can adjust in that. Like many people are suffering also because of that, because family gets somewhat split. But it's okay, we have to see our main priority. Why are we working for?
Okay. Sir, ask question on negotiable instrument. Have you heard of the holder in due course?
So whoever has it, has the instrument with them will be the holder.
Holder, okay. Holder in due course, then what is it?
So I don't know.
Okay. When the paying bank is getting protection, you are in the bank. If you pay a check, okay, when you are protected?
I don't say, can you repeat?
Okay, if you pass a check, okay, when you are protected, that means whatever action you do, nobody can
Or
hold you
payment
responsible.
in due course. Banks are payment in due course. What is meant by payment in due course?
Okay. Yeah. Coming to this, you are telling about the financial inclusion. Okay. You said Jandan account. Okay. Is it only the bringing the unbanked people to the banking only, or it is banking plus something?
So they can, if they have accounts, they feel more empowered like other people.
No, why you call it the financial? Why you not call the inclusive banking? Financial inclusion involves what? What are all the things we provide to the person?
So once everyone has accounts, they can get pension amounts. Like as of now in Karnataka, we are getting Gru Lakshmi amount, LPG subsidy, everything is coming to their account. So
one thing is bringing to this Jandan account. Okay. Then you have heard about the micro credit. Once that account is opened, you have to give them some overdraft.
Yes, sir.
Up to
10,000.
Yeah, that is micro credit. Then you are giving them micro insurance. So can you name 2 micro insurance schemes of that financial inclusion?
So Bima, Jan Raksha Yojana and Jan Bima Yojana.
Okay. Then social security scheme and pension scheme.
Yes, sir.
What is that? Under financial inclusion, we give that Atal pension yojana. No?
Tell pensioners, no? Yes, sir.
Then what is financial literacy?
So the people should be aware about the monetary things.
Okay, you are in the branch, and how do you increase the financial literacy? How do you help the people know about the banking facilities?
So generally they are not at all aware of those things. So we have to explain to them. Whoever comes, they can take a ATM card or use mobile banking. Most of them even don't have mobile phones. Ladies.
Yeah, Nupur, if somebody has come to remit some amount, NEFT, he has come for remitting some amount to vehicle dealer. Okay, you can delight him by giving, instead of 10 minutes, you take 2 minutes and give them.
Yes, sir.
And do the NEFT. Can you do something more than that? Business opportunities, cross-selling. Can you sense anything here in this transaction? He wants remittance of some amount to vehicle dealer. What opportunity do you see here? Business opportunity.
So he has funds as of now, I know. So he can use our services in another form also.
No, he is remitting means what? He is purchasing a vehicle, no?
Yeah.
Why can't you ask him he is purchasing a vehicle, or he can avail loan from you, no? You
Yes.
can tell him a car loan.
Yes.
Okay. What is your ambition if you are selected and posted as a branch manager? Okay. After 5 years down the line, what would you like to see yourself in the organization?
So the rank and status, it doesn't matter much, but how people remember us, how we served. We can grow to the GM position also, but if we are not actually helping anyone, it's of no use. So we'll see how many people we can serve to the lower middle class. Most of them are not getting that much benefit. So I'll try to give more loans to them or try to help in any other way.
Okay, all the best.
Yeah, yes, Nupur. How do you think you have performed in this interview?
So somewhat confident I felt.
Whether it is average, above average, or outstanding, your performance, how do you rate your performance?
Above average.
When you are working in bank and is coming for a higher position interview, you have answered most of the questions okay, and you can develop more by interacting with your colleagues, by going through the books, Negotiable Instruments Act, and financial newspapers, day-to-day day-to-day news, development in the financial news. Okay, you can develop yourself, and you can face the interview very boldly. Now you have done okay, above average. We do concur with your opinion. All the best to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Nupur. Particularly when I asked the question on priority sector lending and financial, you are confused. That confusion should not arise. So once the interview board is asking some question, clarity, and first you have to make the frame what type of question the interview board is asking, whether it is a financial inclusion or priority sector. So for financial inclusion, you are giving answer for priority sector. Second one, being a JIB candidate, JAIIB candidate, definitely some grip or command on NI Act.
Yes.
Okay, so once you told to the board that I completed JIB means whatever the subjects are JIB, once again go through that one before coming to the interview. Next one is down the line after 5 years, what position you are expecting in the bank means you are telling differently.
Yeah.
Because as per the HR policy of the bank, after 5 years, whatever the promotion there, I wish to get that or elevate that promotion. You are telling about service and all these things which are not relevant to the question. Okay. So if you rectify all these things, your communication skills are good and knowledge is also above average, even good also. and try to improve further. Sir.
Okay, Nupur, we are impressed. You are done well. Okay, your communication is good. Confidence level is there. Your body language is good. Okay, and you have positive attitude. Okay, read some current affairs. Okay, latest developments, and about the institution, organization where you are working, like your branch. What is your branch business? What type of deposit customers you are having? Okay, who is your RM? Who is your chairman? Okay, and what is your mobile app? Canara Bank means AI1, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
AI1 app.
Okay, all those things. What are all the things there? Then about your future ambition. Okay, first you should say. We have to say. I have to. What you have to say? You have to work for the organization, get the experience, gain the experience, get the knowledge, and you have to be what?
Mostly a senior manager.
You have to continue your learning. Whatever the lesson are there, I will try to complete my CA, VJ, acquire some courses. Then, whenever the opportunities are there for promotion, I will certainly try. And you should know that every 3 years there is a promotion. So after 5 years means at least you will be in grade
Senior manager.
senior manager 3. Okay. All the best. You have done well.
Okay, thanks.